Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Clarence. Today our topic is how to properly install CL Project Design Optic Ready Slide, the rear plate or the optic plate on the slide. Actually, the slide is made by aluminum. It's not the same like the real steel. The real steel, we can use steel to make the slide. But if airsoft steel, the slide cannot move properly and very slow. So we have to use aluminum. Okay, so it's a lot softer than the real one. Okay, so how to install and or remove it properly of this optic ready slide? First, if you want to remove the rear plate with the rear sight, because the rear side have a spring, okay, so they have a spring tension, okay, like this spring tension, okay. So if you want to remove the plate, please use the finger or two finger, okay, to press, please press, then remove the screw. Okay. Now, if you press, the plate will not go up and will not damage the screw hole. Okay, first, now you see the spring, okay, will make the tension to let this cover plate go up. Okay, so this is first how you remove the rear plate. About installing the red dot plate. Okay, all right, now I have a red dot. I have two screws. They are all 3 millimeters times 10 millimeters. Okay, now you find out. This is perfect. This is already over. What do you mean over? If it's over the plate, that's mean when you install it, will not be flat. Will not be perfect flat. See? If your screw is even, if you have an even longer screw, the plate will go up like this, and you will damage the hole. All right. So remember, your screw for the red dot cannot be over the plate. Okay, all right. Now, how to install the plate properly on your optic ready slide. Okay, here we go. Before you install the plate, please use the Loctite, okay, or we call it thread lock. Okay, please put the thread lock. Then put the screw, the two screw that we included for you. It's a special cut screw, special design. Okay, then press the same. Press press the plate. Press. Okay, then right. Do not make it tight. Do not make it tight. Okay. Okay. Then you feel the tension. Okay. Now, right again. Left again. Right again. left again, right again, left again. Okay, now perfectly tight, perfectly tight, perfect. Okay, will not break. All right, and please let the thread lock dry for a night, because it takes time. Thread lock takes time to be dried. Let it dry, and then the next day you can install your red dot on the slide. Okay, and the last thing I would like to remind everybody, please do not use the red dot to caulk the slide. Okay, please do not use the red dot to load caulk your slide. Okay, do not use this red dot, because this is aluminum. It's not real steel like the real one is using a steel steel is very strong. Okay, so it's a little bit different. Okay, thanks for watching.